Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best electric egg cookers that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Tired of guessing boiling times and ending up with cracked eggs, overcooked yolks, or messy stovetop cleanup? Cooking eggs perfectly every morning can be more frustrating than it should be, especially when you're in a rush. Meet the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker, 12 egg capacity, a compact electric egg cooker that handles boiling, poaching, omelets, and even vegetable steaming in one device. This cooker is designed for convenience and consistency. It can cook up to 12 eggs at once, making it great for families or meal prep. You can choose between soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs just by adjusting the water level. It also includes trays for poached eggs and omelets, so it's more than just a boiler. The BPA-free accessories make it safer for everyday use, and the compact design, 8 inches by 5 inches by 8 inches, fits easily on most kitchen counters. Operation is simple, just add water, place eggs, press the button, and wait for an automatic shutoff when done. Pros: cooks eggs consistently every time. Large 12 egg capacity. Multifunction, boil, poach, omelet, steam. Easy one-button operation. Compact and lightweight design. Cons: plastic build feels a bit basic. No digital timer or advanced settings. Requires water measurement for best results. Perfect for busy families, students, and meal preppers who want quick protein without hassle. Also great for anyone who struggles with stovetop boiling or wants a cleaner, more consistent egg cooking method. At around $33.99, it offers strong value for a multifunction kitchen gadget. If you eat eggs regularly, it can easily save time and effort every week. Number 4. Meet the Elite Gourmet Digital Egg Cooker, 6 egg capacity, a compact, smart egg cooker that makes boiling, poaching, and omelets incredibly simple with one-touch control. This cooker can handle up to 6 eggs at a time, perfect for small households or personal use. It supports multiple styles including soft, medium, and hard-boiled eggs, plus onsen tamago, poached eggs, and omelets. The one-touch digital menu makes it extremely easy, just select your mode and start. It automatically shuts off when cooking is done, so there's no need to monitor it. An audible alert, on-off option, notifies you when your eggs are ready. Its compact size, 8.11 inches by 4.88 inches by 5.94 inches, makes it easy to store even in small kitchens. Pros: very easy one-touch operation. Multiple cooking modes, including onsen tamago. Compact and space-saving design. Auto shutoff adds safety. Affordable price point. Cons: only 6 egg capacity, not ideal for families. Plastic build feels lightweight. Limited customization compared to premium models. Best for students, singles, or small households who want quick, healthy breakfasts without hassle. Also great for anyone with limited kitchen space or beginners who want a super simple egg cooker. At around $29.99, it's a budget-friendly option. You're getting solid convenience and multiple cooking modes for a very low entry price, great value for everyday egg lovers. Number 3. Meet the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker, 6 egg capacity, a compact and easy electric egg cooker that lets you boil, poach, or make omelets with zero hassle. This device can cook up to 6 eggs at once, making it ideal for quick breakfasts or small meal prep. You can choose soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs depending on your preference. It also works as a poacher and omelet maker, giving you more versatility than a basic egg boiler. The auto shutoff feature ensures your eggs never overcook, while the audible alert lets you know when they're ready. Built with BPA-free materials and a mix of stainless steel plus durable plastic, it's both safe and lightweight. Its compact size, 8.6 inches by 5.6 inches by 7.6 inches, makes it easy to store even in small kitchens. Pros: simple and beginner-friendly operation. Multiple cooking options, boil, poach, omelet. Auto shutoff prevents overcooking. Compact and lightweight design. Affordable price. Cons: only 6 egg capacity. Basic build quality, mostly plastic. No advanced digital controls. Perfect for students, singles, or couples who want quick and healthy meals without using a stove. Also great for anyone with a small kitchen or looking for a simple, no-fuss breakfast solution. At around $29.99, this egg cooker offers solid value for everyday use. You're getting multiple cooking functions, safety features, and convenience at a very budget-friendly price, especially useful if you eat eggs regularly. Number 2. Meet the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker, 6-egg capacity, a compact electric cooker designed to make boiling, poaching, and omelets quick, easy, and consistent. This egg cooker handles up to 6 eggs at once, perfect for fast breakfasts or light meal prep. You can choose soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs depending on your preference. It also includes a poaching tray and omelet function, so it's more versatile than a basic boiler. The auto shut-off system prevents overcooking, while the Ready Alert lets you know exactly when your eggs are done. Built with a mix of stainless steel and durable materials, it feels a bit more solid than basic plastic models. Its compact size, 8.6 inches by 5.6 inches by 7.6 inches, makes it easy to store and use in small kitchens. Pros: multiple cooking modes, boil, poach, omelet. Auto shut-off for safety and convenience. Compact and easy to store. Quick cooking with consistent results. Slightly sturdier stainless steel build. Cons: only 6-egg capacity. Still relatively basic controls. Not ideal for large families or bulk cooking. Best for students, couples, or small households who want quick protein-rich meals without hassle. Also great for anyone who prefers simple kitchen gadgets over stovetop cooking. At around $29.99, it offers strong value for a multifunction egg cooker. You get convenience, safety features, and multiple cooking styles in one compact device, making it a budget-friendly kitchen upgrade for daily use. Number 1. Meet the Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 Electric Egg Cooker, 25510, a versatile kitchen gadget that can boil, poach, make egg bites, and even help you cook omelets with ease. This is more than a basic egg cooker. It supports hard-boiled eggs, poached eggs, and sous vide-style egg bites, plus it comes with a 5.25-inch nonstick skillet for omelets, scrambling, and light frying. Its 6-in-1 functionality makes it a mini all-in-one breakfast station. The nonstick surface helps with easy cooking and quick cleanup. Built with aluminum and plastic, it's designed to be sturdy while still compact enough for everyday kitchen use. With its slightly larger size, 8.8 inches by 7.3 inches by 6.3 inches, it offers more cooking flexibility compared to basic egg boilers. Pros: true 6-in-1 multifunction design. Includes skillet for frying and omelets. Good for egg bites and meal variety. Easy to clean nonstick surface. Trusted brand reliability. Cons: heavier than basic egg cookers, 3.2 pounds. Takes more counter space. Slight learning curve for multiple functions. Perfect for breakfast lovers, small families, and people who want more than just boiled eggs. Great if you want a single appliance that can handle eggs in multiple styles plus light cooking tasks. At around $32.95, it's slightly higher than basic models, but you're paying for extra cooking versatility and a skillet system. Good value if you want an all-in-one breakfast solution instead of multiple appliances. If you're ready to upgrade your breakfast game, check the link in the description for the best deal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews.